you are in need of windshield replacement in the Lakeview neighborhood of Chicago, Illinois, you have come to the right place at European and U.S. Collision Repair. Our windshield replacement service includes the careful removal of your damaged glass, ensuring no harm comes to your vehicle's frame during the process. We also provide recalibration for advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring your vehicle's safety features function flawlessly after the replacement. Additionally, we offer leak repairs and inspection services to guarantee that your new windshield is sealed and secure. Call European and U.S. Collision Repair today for a repair estimate and experience the difference in quality and service.